Hi, okay, this morning we're going to do a quick video of the kahubaby Sling and just showing you how to put it on and how to do some adjustments for you. Okay, so this is a great sling suitable from newborn up to probably around 18 months, 2 years. It has a really good feature of this inserted strap, or an integrated strap, which you can basically cinch to make a nice and narrow for a small baby and then extend for a larger baby. And it also has a little adjustment around the neckline as well, which you can pull here. Okay, my baby's around 3 months-ish size, so I'm just going to cinch it in a tiny bit and we'll see how that is. Okay, so because it has no structured waistband, we're going to put it on like an apron. So we're going to hold it like this with the panel down, black panel facing downwards. Pop it on sort of high up-ish, not round your hips. And obviously that will depend on the length of your size of your baby. Okay, so we're going to tighten it up so it's nice and tight around the back. Okay. And you'll be left with the panel facing down. I'm going to go ahead and pick up my baby. Okay, so we just want to start by trying to get your baby as central as you can on your chest, with their arms up and their knees up. Here. By doing this, you'll make sure that the baby's as central as you can within the sling, and then you won't have to do as much adjustment. Slide your hand underneath the panel and just slide it up over the baby's back. Put whichever strap you're comfortable with over your shoulder first. Swap hands. This hand go round. Grab hold of the strap. Pull it downwards towards the floor. Then coming round. And my so downwards first, coming round, and use this hand. Use this hand to help you find the buckle. Clip in. Okay, so you may need to tighten backwards a tiny bit, and then you can pull forwards. Okay, other strap. I'll just make sure that's up and over. Turning round. Pull downwards, round, and clip in. Okay, and you can pull forward. Okay, so just making sure that the baby's comfortable. I think we actually need to tighten that a tiny bit more. In the sling. Okay, so both hands should be up. Okay, so if you feel that it's not tight enough and it's kind of hanging, so I'll just face it, if it's kind of hanging like this around your neck and the baby's sort of swinging away from this big gap between, then it's basically not tight enough. So what you need to do is grab hold of the strap where it meets the panel, lift it upwards, bring the strap around here, and you can see how much slack there is there. Now you can pull forwards and backwards. What you can do is set this buckle backwards, so you don't need to be fixing it backwards all the time. That when you come to take it off, if you release this strap that goes forward, the next time when you put it on, all you'll have to do is pull it forwards. So that makes it nice and easy to do. Same on this side, lift up. You can see the bring slack round to where the buckle is here. Tighten forwards and then go a little bit backwards. You just want to make sure that the baby can flex their knees freely at the knees, and the only other thing that you may need to do is pelvic tilt. So again, I'll just slack on so I can show you. Both hands slide inside and just tilt the baby's pelvis towards you, so it's a motion like this, tipping them towards you, and this will bring their knees up and their bottom down and make them drop into a nice deep seat, which is obviously more comfortable. Okay, so that's that. To take the baby out, just clip at the side, clip at the side, then you can slide your hand inside, let the panel drop away, safely put baby down, or you can often just unclip with one hand off, and then you're back to the start.